Hi, to turn on and off fast charging on your Samsung Galaxy A35, all we have to do is go in the settings, here scroll so we could see battery tab, and after that scroll a bit more and go in charging settings, and then you should see fast charging, which is really cool because not all devices provide us with the ability to choose whether we want to enable fast charging or not. Usually it is either supported or not, right? But here we got this option to decide whether we wanna enable it or not. So mine is disabled right now, and if you wanna charge your phone really quickly, you can enable it by tapping on the switcher so it will light up blue, and then you just need to use this back arrow to save the changes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!